This is how to add the Loyalty Checkout widget to your Shopify checkout page. A quick note before we start. This widget only works on Shopify Plus, since Shopify only lets Plus merchants edit the checkout page. From the Checkout Widget tab, click the Checkout Editor. This opens the Checkout Editor in a new tab. In the editor, within the Apps section, find the Checkout Widget block under All Apps. Click the plus button, then Add to Checkout. Once it's added, you can go to Sections and drag it to a spot where customers will see it, like the Order Summary section, then click Save. The widget is now on your checkout page. Customers can see their points balance, apply a loyalty discount code, or redeem points right before they pay. If you use Shop Pay, there's one more step, because the widget needs to be enabled there separately. Back in the editor, find the Checkout widget under Added Apps and click it to open its settings. Under Checkout Behavior, turn on Include block in Shop Pay, then click Save. Now the widget shows up on Shop Pay Checkout too, so customers get the same loyalty options no matter how they check out. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time.